Scared me, Mark.
Oh!
Yeah! Oh my god.
Go! Yo, but it's not for this channel. It's not for the vlog channel. It's for my other channel. Will you even make it? I mean, yo, if you're not gonna do it, I'll do it.
This one's tough, dude.
They reinforced it. They knew.
My first golden play button. Oh!
Ha! Oh! Uh-oh!
Is it a diamond play button?
I don't think so.
Or no, it's
I
gold.
think it's another silver play button. This not having.
Oh, for your other channel?
Damn it.
Wait, you
Cool
just...
though. I have two. I have
Yeah.
two channels that are over 1 million subs, but we get it, dude. I have 100,000. I don't need any more.
Wow.
There we go, Logan. We've hit 100,000 subs on 2 channels.
To play.
This is your play button. I appreciate you, Johannes. So, yo, this is actually.
You deserve this.
This is dope. So I.
You didn't think I would look in the drawer.
No, I've never, ever seen you open that drawer.
It is 100%.
Oh, honey, yes, honey, yes. Yo, it came with a YouTube letter and everything. Dude, dear Logan Paul.
100,000, we thought, not bad, that's a healthy new channel. At 1 million, we thought, wow, this creator's pretty awesome. But 10 million? At this point, we're actually scratching our heads. How on earth did you do that? 10 million subscribers isn't just a lot of people. It's more than the entire population of New York City. Oh my gosh, that's facts. The fact is, you're no longer just a great
Channel, you're a movement. You're a movement. I love that. You've clearly touched a nerve in the world, and you found a legion of fans who expect and receive great things from you. Yeah, they're spot on, bro. We hope you'll accept this Diamond Creator Award as a woefully inadequate token of our appreciation and our respect for what you've accomplished. You amaze us and inspire us every day. Keep it coming. Yours sincerely, Suzanne, CEO, YouTube. Oh, no. I'm doing this, bro. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. No, just Logan Paul, congratulations for surpassing 10 million subscribers.